Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Are you ready to witness the power of technology and how it can transform your life? In today's video, we'll introduce you to 10 incredible tech gadgets that will revolutionize the way you live, work, and play. So, let's dive right in. The world of technology is constantly evolving, presenting us with innovative gadgets that blend seamlessly into our lives. In this video, we'll explore 10 remarkable tech gadgets that have the potential to change your life for the better. So, without further ado, let's check them out. Gadget 1. Introducing the Smart Home Hub, an all-in-one control center for your home. With voice command capabilities, it simplifies your daily tasks by adjusting the lights, playing music, setting the thermostat, and much more. This gadget brings automation to a whole new level, making your life more convenient and efficient. Gadget 2. Say hello to the virtual reality (VR) headset. Step into a whole new dimension with this immersive gadget. Whether you are exploring distant lands, gaming, or watching movies, the VR headset transports you to another world, providing an unparalleled experience like never before. Gadget 3. Meet the fitness tracker, your personal health assistant. This sleek wearable gadget monitors your daily activities, heart rate, sleep patterns, and even offers personalized workout recommendations. It helps you stay on top of your fitness goals, leading to a healthier lifestyle. Gadget 4. Next up, we have the Smart Assistant speaker, a device that not only plays your favorite tunes but also acts as your personal assistant. From answering questions to setting reminders, this gadget brings convenience and connectivity to a whole new level. Gadget 5. Get ready for the smartwatch. This stylish wearable gadget is much more than a timepiece. It allows you to receive notifications, track your workouts, make payments, and even answer calls on the go. With its sleek design and advanced features, it's a game changer for your wrist. Gadget 6. Experience high-quality audio like never before with the noise-cancelling headphones. Whether you are traveling, working, or simply relaxing, these wireless headphones block out external noise, providing a truly immersive sound experience. Gadget 7. Step into the future of cooking with the smart kitchen appliances. From intelligent ovens to automated coffee makers, these gadgets take your culinary skills to new heights. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. Gadget 8. The drone camera takes photography to new heights, quite literally. Capture stunning aerial shots and breathtaking videos with this compact and easy-to-fly device. Whether you are a professional photographer or an adventure enthusiast, the possibilities are endless. Gadget 9. Enhance your home security with the Smart Doorbell. This gadget allows you to see, hear, and speak to anyone at your doorstep, even when you're not home. With its motion detection and smartphone integration, you'll always be in control and have peace of mind. Gadget 10. Last but certainly not least, we present to you the solar-powered charger. This portable device harnesses the sun's energy, allowing you to charge your gadgets on the go. Say goodbye to running out of battery and embrace eco-friendly charging. Embrace the future, elevate your lifestyle with these essential tech innovations. And that's a wrap on our top 10 must-have tech gadgets. We hope you enjoyed our showcase of these transformational technologies that are sure to revolutionize your life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Thank you for watching.